YMT Vacations presents a vacation destination unlike any other. Iceland. Known as the land of fire and ice, Iceland boasts a landscape dominated by impressive displays of Mother Nature's glory and might. Introducing the Enchanting Iceland Tour. This 8-day professionally guided land tour begins in the Icelandic capital of Reykjavik. Experience the rugged natural beauty of Iceland on the Golden Circle Tour. Travel through Iceland's geological and cultural past in Thingvellir National Park. Witness the incredible Strokgut Geyser and the Golden Waterfall of Gullfoss. Visit award-winning Fríðheimur Farm, where you'll learn about their inventive techniques and watch a show starring Icelandic horses. Devote a full day to the Reykjanes Peninsula, a UNESCO Global Geopark with stunning geological formations and home to the gorgeous Blue Lagoon, the perfect backdrop for your included lunch. On the south coast, you'll visit the quaint village of Vik, dramatic black sand beaches, and majestic Seljalandsfoss Waterfall. Visit Europe's largest hot spring that powers homes for 40 miles. Your final day in Iceland is at your leisure to relax or enjoy an exciting optional day trip. And then it's the grand finale, the Northern Lights Pursuit. This is one of nature's most spectacular exhibitions of beauty. This amazing vacation will be filled with moments that'll take your breath away. And in addition to 8 included meals, this tour also offers the benefit of just one centrally located hotel for your entire trip, so you can experience all that Iceland has to offer without frequently packing and unpacking. But the best part? We'll take care of everything. This YMT Vacation Tour package includes hotel accommodations, sightseeing, all travel during your tour, a professional tour director, and even baggage handling. And wherever you travel with us, you travel among friends. You'll share experiences and make memories, creating moments you'll treasure forever. That's the YMT experience. Call today, and a friendly representative will arrange your Enchanting Iceland tour in just minutes. All YMT vacations are value-packed and include our lowest price guarantee. So what are you waiting for? It's time to travel.